The Glock 18C has become legendary as a fully automatic pistol that everyone wants. The selector switch allows the user to choose between semi-automatic and full automatic firing modes. The 18C model has a modified slide and barrel with compensation slots that reduce muzzle flip and allow the shooter more control over the pistol, at least for the firearm. This is the officially licensed gas blowback airsoft version. It fires 6mm airsoft BBs at such a rapid rate that you will appreciate the standard extended magazine. We can all dream of owning and shooting the real deal fully automatic machine pistol. But in the meantime, go ahead and get your very own Glock 18C full auto airsoft pistol from your favorite sporting goods retailer today.
The USP. The HK model designated as Universal Self-Loading Pistol was formally introduced in 1993. Now, owners and admirers of this quality handgun can practice with genuine form without burning money on ammo. This is the HK USP chambered for .177 caliber steel BBs and powered by a 12-gram CO2 capsule. A replica in every sense, this USP model incorporates a blowback system, a complex valve that allows the flow of air to propel the BB at 325 feet per second while simultaneously causing the all-metal slide to kick back, a feature that any action pistol shooter will appreciate. The authenticity of the HK USP air pistol evolves around every aspect of this spectacular replica. From the texturing of the tough polymer frame to the functioning controls of the slide release, the safety, the magazine release, and the decocking mechanism to its fast target acquisition 3-dot sights. Its magazine replicates the size and weight of a loaded mag and drops completely free of the grip, making this an ideal pistol for reloading drills. Get a grip on a full-size semi-auto action. Ask and search for the HK USP blowback air pistol at your favorite retailer.
Introducing the Beretta APX. This handgun is an air-powered variant of Beretta's first full-size striker-fired pistol that was specifically designed to meet the needs of military and law enforcement operators. The Beretta APX is a full-size polymer-framed handgun with a distinctively textured metallic slide and a single-stack drop-free magazine that holds 20 rounds of smooth steel BBs. It propels BB ammunition up to 395 feet per second. The slide cycles with every round fired and holds back when the magazine is empty. The APX delivers superior performance in fit and finish. It sports an ergonomically designed polymer frame and features a standard Picatinny rail for mounting accessories. Behind the textured backstrap of the APX, you will find a CO2 compartment that holds a single 12-gram disposable capsule. On the slide is a 3-dot sight system, which provides for quick target acquisition and accurate shooting. Ask for the fully branded and licensed Beretta APX air pistol at your favorite retailer. This Glock 17 Gen 4 air gun is an officially licensed replica. It feels like a Glock and fits a variety of aftermarket holsters so that pistol handling techniques can be practiced. This Glock 17 Gen 4 air gun comes with extra back straps, so you can customize it to fit your hand size. The surface of the handle of the receiver of the Gen 4 air gun features an easily grippable textured profile. Internally, the CO2 valve regulates the 320 feet per second velocity, and its metal magazine contains both a 12-gram CO2 capsule that provides its power and 18 rounds of steel BBs, all contributing to its weight and size, making it optimal for magazine drills. The appearance of the trigger resembles the Glock Safe Action trigger. Its white dot sights allows for fast target acquisition. The under-receiver rail accepts accessories, and the magazine release is true to form. Order the officially licensed Glock 17 Gen 4 air gun from your favorite retailer today.